interest you to know that in 2022, an estimated 49,689 fatalities of irregular migrants have been recorded. 49,689. What this means is that the number of people who died or the death that was recorded from 2014 to date is 49,689. More often you see that children are alone in these parks. When you ask them questions, they tell you that they are going to Kumasi to work, or they are going to the southern sector to go and farm. Consequently, we are all working towards working to reduce irregular migration and promote regular migration, so that Ghanaians who are perishing in the desert can be stopped, and to channel the energies of our youth into more profitable ventures.
When we talk about coercion, some of the traffickers use force. Others use their position. Let's say you respect somebody so much in society that has come to send you to a place. Then for fear and for whatever reasons you agree. The person is using his or her position to put you into trouble. So let us open our eyes. It's not about going to places that make us people in future. It is not about fast or quick money that will make us big people or people that can save our family from poverty. Now, we look at the effect of human trafficking. We have so many types that for the sake of time, we will look at a few of the types and then we'll go into the effect of human trafficking. In Ghana, we have forced labor, as immigration officer mentioned. Children, for instance, are sold for a smaller amount of money parents take from other people and then send their children to them to go and work. And they don't care whatever these children go into. It mostly happens at the fishing industries. It also believes that children are capable of swimming faster to release nets that are stuck on wood. Adults will be able to move faster like children. It is also believed that the fingers of children are able to remove fish better from the nets than adults. Through this, many children lose their lives by drowning or not being able to access medical care on time or due to poor feeding. People use them as prostitutes. When I say prostitutes, I'm sure the boys here may say that it is only the girls they can use as prostitutes. But in this era, are we aware that men use men through the abuse? Are we aware of that? Now, human trafficking comes in different forms. One of them, Mr. Razak talked about movement, migration, getting legal documents before you move. Now, whether you move or not, you can be trafficked. Are we aware of that? We used to hear about slavery. They used to tie people at the marketplaces with chains and they sold them into slavery. Now, slavery has come a different form. It has changed its form so attractive, so much so that now we are the ones who run after this slavery. Yeah. Imagine you sit in your house and somebody call you. What are you doing? Nothing, of course. Would you like to study abroad? Would you like to study abroad? Yes or no? Yes. Would you like to go to Natal to go and study? And they say, okay, your visa is free. You don't pay anything. So the only thing you do is pack your bag and come. Will you go or not? Then you get there. Even the country that they are promising you, you end up in a different country.
So imagine I have my junior at SSC, and I was in the same room with him. I was 1 year ahead of him, and I think in 2020 he had the opportunity to go to France, in Paris, and he was held by some white men, and from there I was told that one of his colleagues to them, he was an SP by that time in the school, and he told me that the guy is in France. I wondered, hey, how? And yes, they are going to France. And apparently he was to go with that issue, but at that time he wasn't having money to go. So later this year, he completed nursing and he was employed, he was posted. So that I had not gotten an opportunity to work. So everything was like, because of the senior, they were trying to help me out.
You just write that, yes, this is a wrong place. That time you can't do anything. So they started telling, and they said, as wait, I'll ask questions. So I asked them questions a lot. So he told me I was going to France to make a DHL. Why are you not telling the host that I'm staying back here? So, and to the point that they're trying to tell, I can inform my family members that, yeah, I'm in France. I can lie that I'm in France. While I'm in Ivory Coast. I said, I can't do that. I'm a Christian. I go by my Christian values. I can't lie to them. What about if I'm sick and dying? So, what should I do to them? Should I tell them I'm in France when I'm dying here?
Tell them what the law seeks to protect before you can enforce. Human trafficking law is one of the laws that protects the children, the Domestic Violence Act, the Children's Act, and of course, the Anti-Human Trafficking Act. So domestically, laws are also passed by our parliament to protect the youth. We have laws such as the Children's Act of 1998, Act 560. There is a law like that. The Children's Act is protecting the children. Then the Domestic Violence Act 2007, Act 732. Everything begins from our homes. So the Domestic Violence Act is there to protect the children, especially sexual violence, sexual harassment, and all and the like are protected by this law. And of course, the issue we are here to talk about, the Human Trafficking Act 2005, Act 694.
So, if section 2.1 says no one should traffic another person, section 2.2 says that a person who contravenes section 1 commits an offense and is liable on summary conviction to imprisonment for a term of not less than 5 years. Thank you.